Hello everybody, this is Raybman, This is Raybman, and this message is to women, girls, yes, who have boyfriends or men, yes. You know, soon it's Christmas Eve, yes, and if you haven't found anything yet, yes, then I have a tip for you. Yes, a new earring. Yes, and this earring is from Thomas Sabo. Yes, Merry Christmas. With love, yes, and it's Christmas soon, so love each other, yes. And here's the box with the earring, yes, and it's from Thomas Sabo. I will put the link below. He has many fine earrings and watches and other stuff. And it's a very nice material. Those who know me, you know, I think the package is sometimes for me more important than what I have inside. Can you say so? Yes, but you know what I mean. All the Apple products have also very nice packages. And here you have a cloth so your earring shines. Yes. It's very hot here. Okay, here is the earring. Yes, I have already the other in my ear. Yes. Maybe I could take it out so you can what the hell. Yes, and here's the earring, and it's I don't know, 3 diamonds, I don't think, and it says, you can see Thomas Sabo there. Yes. Yes, and it's silver with diamonds. All right.